This is the rice pulling on the glass top. In this video, I will show you rice pulling happening on glass plate. This is a glass plate. For the supporter, I take 3 bottle caps. On 3 bottle caps, we will get a proper seating on the glass plate. Now the glass plate top of the table. This is our coin. This is a very iridium coin, a very old coin. This is a very rare coin. This is iridium. This is the rice we are normally using for eating or cooking. I will put this whole rice on the glass plate. Before that, we will place the rice pulling coin on the glass plate. I put all the rice on the glass plate. Just wait for the magic about. Please watch carefully. One rice going towards the coin. Yes, this is the first time on YouTube. Look, we are not using any pulling or pushing techniques. First time on YouTube.